Welcome to Technical Drawing. Today we are going to learn auxiliary view of this sum. Now see, we have front view, top view of a pentagonal pyramid. Right? So first we will do the naming. First we need to draw this. And then we'll do naming A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash. This is in first angle. And we are drawing auxiliary front view. After that, we'll write naming in top view also. We'll write A, B, sorry, it's E, not C. Then we have C and D. Then we'll write apex O. And here we'll write O dash. Now what we'll do, we'll mark all these points here also. Now if you see these green lines, they are perpendicular line to this PQ. So we draw perpendicular line from A. I'm just showing the projection. Here I am writing A, right? This is B, this is E, C, D and O. Now what I need to do, I need to transfer this vertical distance from XY to A dash. Where we have to mark? We have to mark from A. So take the vertical distance, this distance, see this. XY to A dash, and from PQ you cut from A. Same way we'll do for other points. If you see point B is on XY only, so that's why it will be on PQ. Then XY to E, then XY to D, then again C will be on PQ, and then XY to O. So that way we can mark all these points. After that, join all these points. So this is how you will get. Then ED. ED is away from you, right? D is the D corner which is very far from observer. Observer is watching it from here. Since we are drawing first angle, observer will see from one side and he will draw it on the other side. So what I'm doing, I'm drawing first extreme line dark. OA is nearer to you, that's why it is dark, right? All extreme boundary will be dark, OA will be dark because it is nearer to the observer. Point D is away from the observer, so that will be dotted. So if you see C to D and B to D, this is A, yeah, it's actually E, not B. E to D and E to C to D will be dotted. So basically D will be dotted because it's extreme. because it is the corner which is away from the observer. So I hope you people have understood the sum. Thank you.